打电话给俺3姨，叫俺3姨报警。现在已经到哥尔本了都建保。
那个车人该上座的，看危险不危险？都已经出走2辆车了，2辆车已经冲走了，连人带车都冲了，那个司机还在车上坐。
An operation is underway to rescue passengers submerged in waist-deep flood waters on a subway train in China. The passengers were traveling in Zhengzhou, in central Henan province on Tuesday, when they became stranded amid the rising water. Henan province has been hit hard by heavy rain in recent days, resulting in flooding that has affected more than a dozen cities. At least 1 person has died and 2 are missing, state media report. On Tuesday, Zhengzhou's entire subway system was forced to close. Video and images posted to social media show people standing on train seats to try to keep above the water. Henan province, home to 94 million people, has had an unusually active rainy season. More than 10,100 people have been relocated since 16 July, according to state media. The province's meteorological station issued a red warning, the highest alert, for heavy rain on Tuesday. Rains are set to continue in the region for the next 24 hours. Zhengzhou recorded more than 200 millimeters of rain in 1 hour on Tuesday. A number of highways have closed and some flights have been delayed or cancelled.
Today, July 20th, the heaviest rain in history hit the Chinese city of Zhengzhou, Henan province. In just an hour, 200 millimeters of precipitation fell. The average annual rainfall in Zhengzhou is about 600 millimeters. What is happening there now looks like the apocalypse. The whole city is flooded with water, cars are floating along the streets. Residents of the city climbed trees and waited for rescue. The subway cars are flooded, the passengers are helpless. Houses and walls collapsed and several bridges were washed away. More than 20 dead, many are